When preparing for your regulatory interview, it is important to be prepared for a variety of questions that the interviewer may ask. This video is going to outline how you should prepare to ensure you succeed in your regulatory affairs interview. Within your interview, you are likely to be asked a variety of standard interview questions, such as what you know about the company. When preparing for these questions, ensure you do your research on the company and their latest activities, especially if it is relevant to the job you are applying for. Other standard interview questions include your biggest weakness or your strengths. These questions are asking you to show why you would be the best candidate for the role, so ensure they are tailored to the job requirements and provide examples when necessary. Another type of question you may be asked are questions specific to the pharmaceutical industry. For example, your knowledge on current affairs linked to the pharmaceutical industry. To answer these questions, make sure you read up on the latest news before your job interview. You don't have to remember everything, but you will appear a stronger candidate if you show you are up to date and aware of potential industry issues. Be particularly aware of news items relevant to the company you are meeting. Depending upon the type of regulatory affairs role you're going for, you could be asked a variety of different questions. When initially preparing for the interview, ensure you read through the job specification to identify which questions are appropriate for your role. Be prepared to talk about your experience with regulatory agencies. Questions that could be asked in your regulatory interviews include asking you to discuss a time when you have worked with affiliates. What affiliates have you worked with? Have you worked within pre-approval or post-approval? Can you successfully develop a regulatory strategy for implementation of a new product? You may also be asked about your knowledge and use of electronic submissions and any experience you have working within a team on a global level. To answer these questions, ensure you keep up to date with the news relating to the relevant regulatory bodies, such as the MHRA or the EMA, in addition to thinking through your own past experience and thinking how you can demonstrate the skills and expertise required. Ensure you can outline the types of submissions you have written, your experience answering questions from regulatory agencies, and describe the therapeutic areas you have experience of working within.